Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use green screen in your videos to make those beautiful effects in your videos, and I'm also show you where you can download green screen from for free. We are going to use Pixabay, so that's where we're going to get our videos from. So please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Let's do this. So what exactly is Pixabay? Pixabay.com is a free stock photography and royalty free stock media website. It is used for sharing photo illustration, vectors graphics, film footage, and music exclusively under the custom Pixabay license, which generally allows the free use of the materials with some restriction. Pixabay is not the only place where you can get videos and photographs you can use. You can also use Pixels, Unsplash, Shutter, Stock Exchange. So these are some of the other ones you can use to get free images and videos you can use in your video. But in this video, basically we're going to use Pixabay for our green screen background effect to bring our video alive and add more interesting features to it. Then we come up to video, click on it, then come down here and type subscribe. Okay, yeah. Then click the search button. So what we're looking for is a video. I use green screen subscribe, but you can use any other word you want to use depending on what you want. Maybe green screen fire, the screen playing. Now these are not videos, so I'm gonna come right here. Okay, videos. Okay, now videos. So what I want is a green background like this, then the text just like this, like video subscribe. Yeah, I like this. So we're gonna use this. So click on it, then we'll come to the side and say free download, then click on it. You can also change the screen resolution, or you could just use the default one. So now we're going to click on download. Okay, it's installing, downloading. So let's let's watch it. Okay, so this is it. So now let's move on to Kdenlive. Open it up. Okay, now what we need is a video. Now the editor is open. Let's close this. Then we drag in this video. Switch. Bring it back. It's a very short video. So I'll bring it down here. And I'm going for the green screen video I just downloaded. This. Put it here. Let's close this. So now I'm gonna bring this into my video. So this is here. So let's play over it. And play.
Do what you can, I do what you know.
You notice here, it became green. It covered up the video, but I don't want it to cover up the video. So let's remove the background, the green screen. to come to effect, click on it. It will come up to alpha max and key, click on it. This is chroma key basics. If you want to see more, just click here on the video, show all video effects. Just click on this and boom, you have access to more effects you can use. So what we're going to do now, we're going to drag this, click on it and drag it on our video. So it's not working yet upon we have dragged it there.
I do it now.
So what we're going to do, we're going to click on the chroma key basic right here, click on it. So once you click on it, we have a menu right here that opened up. So we're going to come here and click on color key, click on it, press green, OK. So you can see right here the green is gone. Well, let's increase the variance a little. Yeah, that's better. So now when we play the video, this
I don't really know what you do right now. I do really know, I don't really care, I don't really know.
So after you have done removing the green background and everything looks okay, just render your video, then you can post it wherever you want to post it. And that's it. So that's how you can use a green screen effect in your video, and that's how you can also remove the green screen from it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my video. Bye. Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video that says subscribe. Thanks.